At Vyapar, we believe in providing more than just a software solution. We're here for your success every step of the way. With our extended support, managing your business becomes effortless. Need help with generating professional invoices in seconds? Vyapar's got you. Simply input your details and let the software do the work. And it doesn't stop there. Manage your stock inventory, calculate taxes, and even get GST reports ready for filing, all in one place. This means you save time, reduce errors, and simplify your accounting processes. And if you ever face any issues while managing your business with Vyapar, don't worry. We are here to assist you in real time, even on Sundays, till 9 p.m. So you can rest easy, knowing that we've got your back and your business can run smoothly every single day of the week. Vyapar is your partner in efficiency, making sure your business runs effortlessly. Don't just take our word for it. Try it yourself and experience the difference. Customers not coming to your store? No worries, let Vyapar app bring your store to them. In today's world, where customers prefer to shop online, Vyapar app is here to help you stay connected and boost your business effortlessly. With Vyapar, you don't need to worry about low footfall anymore. Simply set up your very own online store and reach your customers anytime, anywhere. Here's what Vyapar app does for you. Easy online store setup. Add your stock and customers and your online store is ready to go. Share it with your customers and watch orders roll in from the comfort of their homes. All-in-one dashboard. Keep track of every detail, orders, pending deliveries, and total sales all in one place so you're always organized and in control. Credit management. Offer credit to your loyal customers with ease. With automated reminders, ensure payments are timely without any awkward follow-ups. Seamless access across devices. Download Vyapar app on your desktop or mobile so your online store looks perfect and professional anytime and anywhere. With Vyapar, bring convenience to your customers and power to your business. Start now and become the preferred choice for your customers. Manufacturing streamline your operations with powerful desktop billing software. Running a hardware, furniture, or construction material business requires efficient management of inventory, invoicing, and customer relationships. Our PC billing software streamlines these processes across various industries with the following features. Inventory management. Track stock levels, raw materials, and equipment accurately, with low stock alerts to prevent shortages. Optimized invoicing. Create professional, customized invoices with itemized lists, product images, and tax calculations. Customer relationship management. Track purchase history and preferences to offer personalized recommendations and promotions. Real-time payment tracking. Monitor payments in real time, reduce overdue balances, and improve cash flow with automated reminders. Running a grocery store, supermarket, or provision store involves managing a high volume of transactions and inventory efficiently. Our billing app for PC is specifically designed for the retail industry, offering the following features to streamline your operations. Custom invoicing, inventory management, quick billing, tax compliance, sales analysis. Our desktop billing software helps you manage your retail business more effectively, improving customer satisfaction and boosting profitability.